the xy plane, the function h is given by h of x equals 4 to the x plus 9, and it's a horizontal translation of the exponential function f. Well, we could see that because you have positive 9 trapped inside the x parentheses, which means we actually make our guy move it left, a negative horizontal translation. So there it is. So yeah, there's the regular function. By adding 9 inside the parentheses, we move left 9. Cool. Which of the following is equivalent for h of x that expresses h as a vertical dilation? All right, so a vertical dilation is not the same as a translation. So if you're thinking, oh, they want us to add or subtract, no. That's translation. When you do a vertical dilation, you take your f of x and you just multiply some number to it. Okay, so if our f of x is 4 of x, you're just going to take a number, and it looks like they want us to use 2 here, and multiply 2 to it. So b is going to be our guy. Now, that's a vertical dilation. If you're thinking, well, what about a horizontal dilation? The horizontal dilation would look like this. So now you'd be taking 4 to the 2x, okay, which is an option that I probably should have given, but I gave you A, which is kind of close. But yeah, that's what we have here. This represents a vertical dilation, not to be confused with a horizontal dilation, not to be confused with a vertical translation, which is when you would add 2 to 4 of x, 4 to the x. So yeah, transformation stuff is kind of a mess. But yeah, we did it, and boy, did I have fun. Hope this helps.